So here first you should be aware of the geometries. What are the geometries we use in front view and top view? So first geometry is this we are using over here. This geometry we are using it, which is L shape, and compare this with the top view. When you compare this with the top view, you will get this. So first would be like this geometry. In the front view, it is this. Then if you see the top view, it is extending like this. If you give this width, you will get it in the top view. So 22 plus 9 plus 9 here. 22 plus 9 and this side plus 9. Then next, if you see from the top view, it looks like this. See, exactly like a square box from the top view. And if you see from the front view, see, this is the front view. So first geometry, we got the clarity. Then we'll move with the second geometry. So next, a second geometry is this cylinder. And compare this cylinder here. Which is coming approximately here. So this is the second geometry. Then third geometry, second geometry is your cylinder. So when cylinder is given, you can use this plane or top plane. If you use top plane, you have to draw the circle. If you use the front plane, then you need to draw the radius, which is 15 mm. So you have to draw like this, 15 mm. Then you need to mention the height like this. Then you have to revolve around the axis. Using shaft option, you used to rotate it to 360 degree. So then second geometry is over, which is cylinder. You can compare it also. Then third one is your stiffener here. This is a stiffener 1 and this is stiffener 2. So you have to draw stiffeners. Then fourth one is holes. 4 holes already given size. You can use a pattern also for this. Let me start doing it. So first what I will do is here, I'm going to draw this front view. So for drawing this front view, I just go to the insert and I'll name it as sketchers. Here specification tree is not visible. So what you do is go to the view and here specifications or F3 button. So we got the sketchers here. So first I use is this. So which is located on the front, which is given on the front view. So I'll use the front plane for this. Now we'll start doing from here. I take profile. So first I'll draw this line, which is matching with this above. So which is 30 mm. So here I'll go to the length. Total is 30. I take 30 divided by 2. Now locate its position horizontally here. So I have drawn half line here, so 30 mm. Then you can take this vertical line, measure the vertical line distance, which is given here 14 mm. So go to the length and here give 14 and enter, and place its place the line vertically like this, then 14. The next is this line. So this line, you check it here. He has not given this line distance. So from here he has given the total distance, which is 74 and plus 9 mm. 9 this side and 9 this side from this center. So what I do is here, I take roughly one line like this. I'll give dimension later. Then check this. So which is 6 mm. I draw 6. Go to the length, give 6 mm, enter. Then locate it vertically. Then you can align with the center line. So now we need to give the dimensions. First what I do is I mirror this entire thing there. So now we will give the distance between this vertical line and this vertical line, which is 74 plus this distance, which is 9 mm, plus this side distance, which is 9 mm. Total is 92. So this geometry we got it now, same. Yeah. So the thing is that we need to draw one more line inside. So which is this. So we'll draw this line also now. So I take the horizontal line, this line, but we don't know distance over here. But we know when you match it here, it is aligning with this dotted line. So we'll see the dimension for this. So here this dimension is matching here 20 diameter. So what I make is here I take 20, means 10 I take from the center. From the center line I take length of 10. Now locate it horizontally. Now which is touching with this line. Okay. So we'll see the height of this. So here's given here 6 mm. From here to here, which is 6. Enter. Then we make it mirror this side. Now we crop rest of the thing. Yeah, now we got the geometry. But here we need to give the fillet also of radius 2 mm. Here also 2 mm. I'll go to the corner option and I'll select this edge. Then I'll select this edge. Then here I define the radius of 2 mm. I supposed to give on the upper side, not on the lower side. Now we pad it for this. Give pad. We give pad like 22 plus 9, again plus 9. Give preview. It is coming only one side. So what I do is I give mirror extent and I'll make here 40 by 2. Give preview and give OK. So we're done with the first geometry and check with this. Yeah, it is properly right. So first geometry looks like same. So then what we do is we'll go with the second geometry. So here first radius is 36. So I make a circle of 36 on this. I come back to the sketch, right click, define in work object. So we need to maintain all the sketches in this geometrical set and all the 3D bodies in the part body. So now I'll select, so it is situated, located on the top plane. I'll select the top plane. I'll go to the positioning sketch, then projection point as this. Here we need to check horizontal and vertical position. I'll swap it in place of H, then I'll reverse it. H should be in this direction, V should be in this direction. Give OK. Now we will draw 36 circle. 36 is its diameter. I'll give 36 by 2 radius. Then I'll give exit. Yeah, which is 18 mm. So let me pad it. So now we need to check the pad height. So here the from here, if you take from here, it is 38. Right, from this bottom it is coming. Yeah. So the mistake what I have made is I have taken on this face. I'm not supposed to take on this. So now what I do, I select this sketch, right click, and I'll change the sketch support. So I'll move the geometry here. I'll select this plane, this face. See, now I got it. So from here it is coming, right? Then give OK. Now we'll give the pad. So the pad height is from here to here. Total is 38. 38 minus 18 is pad length. 38 minus 18. Give preview and give OK. Now you can compare this on the top view whether it is matching or not. Yeah, exactly it is matching here, right? So now we have to take one more circle on this, which is 30 diameter. I'll go to the positioning sketch. I'll give OK. Here actually I did not define it. We need to define. Go to the sketchers and define in work object so that sketch comes under this geometrical set only. Now I'll go back to the this and I'll select here. Then I'll go to the projection point as this. Now H and V. H always should be here. So swap it and reverse it. Give OK. Now I'll draw the 30 circle on this. So the diameter is 30. So the radius would be half of the diameter, 30 by 2. Exit and you can give the pad of 18 mm here. I'll give 18 mm. Yeah, this could be the height. If you see from here, from the normal view, just check the views. It is looking same, right? From the front view. So now we'll make holes inside of it, which is like 10 mm depth, first hole, and second 20 mm depth. So first hole is 20 diameter and second hole is 12 diameter, right? So I'll go to the hole option here. I select this. Now we need to select the hole type here. Up to last I take. So here type of the hole. Type is we need a counter bore hole, right? See here, this is counter bore, same shape. So select here. Here come to the extension and give the diameter here first. So the diameter is, I'll give 12 here. Then come here and you can give the main diameter, which is 30 mm. So 30 mm diameter depth you have to give, which is 10 mm. So if you get confusion over here, he has clearly given. So main diameter and depth here. So 30 is diameter and this depth is 10 mm here. 30 and 10. Then here diameter is 12. So up to last. So now what you need to do is here, if you take directly, so whole knot comes in the proper way. So what you need to do here is you should go back to the, okay, here we done a mistake. So this is not a 30, this is a 20 mm. You need to change it to 20. Okay, from here it is hole is coming. The thing is that you have to check with the sketch also. Go back to the sketch here. So locate it exactly on the center. Select this point, whole point, and select the circle, any circle. Then right click and make concentric. Let me do it once again. So select the circle center point and select the circle. Then make it concentric. Now it is already coincided. What I do is I'll come outside and I'll give. So now see the hole. You got it, right? So next you have to draw the stiffener. For the stiffener again I go back to the sketch. I'll select the position sketch. Select this projection point as this. Give OK. Now I'll draw from here. From here to here we need to draw it, right? So I project this and this edge as a 3D elements. Then after projecting this edge, I'll make this as a construction element here. Then what I do is from here, let me delete this, which is not required to us. Okay, then what we need to do is here. So first I'll coincide this and this edge. First give distance. So after that, So now we'll take a line here. So I select this and I make this standard element, then I'll coincide with this. I keep it like this first. So let me coincide this with here. Then next you need to mention the distance, which is 9 mm from here. This point to here, you can give 9 mm. Then you have to take some extra here. Because it is a circle, as when you move it, it won't come. So that's why you need to take some extra here. So now I exit. We'll go for the stiffener. So the stiffener width is 6 mm. I'll give 6 and give preview. Give okay. Now we got one side stiffener. For the other side stiffener, I simply mirror it here. I'll go to the mirror option in 3D. Then I'll mirror it. So I'm not getting it. What I do is I'll go to the transformation feature and I'll go to the mirror. So you have to select the stiffener. Then you have to select the axis or plane. I select here and click. So I got stiffener both sides. Next thing is that we need to make a hole for every side. So I'll go to the again sketches, define in work object, go to the positioning sketches, then select this plane. Make sure H and V, give OK. Then draw the circles. I draw one circle here. Then first I'll give the size. So the size could be 8 dia. Then location. Location could be from here to here 74. So what I do is first I'll make a mirror this side. Now I'll give the dimension. From this center point to this center point, he has given 74 here. I'll give 74. Then horizontal distance. So horizontal distance is 22 mm. So again I'll go with the mirror from this to this. I'll select both circles and I'll mirror it now. So now I'll give from here to here. He has given 22 mm. I'll give 22. Now I'll exit and I'll make a pocket here. Now we got the holes like this. And here we have some extra portion we need to eliminate. We need to trim it off. So for trimming it off, what I'll do is I'll go to the pocket, or else directly you can take the sketch and you can trim it off also. So I'll use the first sketch for this. So this is my first sketch. I copy this sketch first. Then I'll hide this sketch now. After copying, I'll paste it here. Now I have got it. I'll edit the first sketch. So what I do is I'll just convert all the elements. I'll select this and I'll go to the auto search option. Now I'll hold the control and deselect this, and this. Only this, after deselecting it, I'll convert this as a construction element. If you see here the sketch, let me hide this. Only the rest of the things are construction element. So now I'm going to make this full sketch. Now I'll come outside, then let me unhide this. Now I'll make a pocket using this sketch. Give mirror extent, give like 100 mm. both sides. See, now I have removed it. If you check from the front view, let me compare front side and back side views. I'll go with the front view and check. Front view is matching with the front view. So stiffeners are matching. Here also stiffeners matching. Then this is matching. This is matching. Then here, then this geometry is matching. From the top view, we will check it now. I'll go with the top view. See, in the top view, these four circles are matching, right? Then these two stiffeners are matching. Then the cylinders are matching here. Then two lines are matching here. See, this line is matching.